Dear parents and our sweet lovely children, welcome to our today's class. Let us continue our practice of English numerals in our today's class. In our previous class, you practiced numbers 1 to 5. So children, let us practice numbers from 6 to 10 in our today's class. See here children, we have to put dots in this way before we write number 6. Dear parents, you should prepare a book to write in this way. You must prepare the book like this way so that it will be easy for the children to write in the book. To write 6, make one half circle, then it should be attached to the bottom half like in this way. Now this should be say 6. 6 6 6 6. You should complete this page in the same way. Let us now learn to write the number 7. A sleeping line must be done first. Again one standing line should be done. Now we have to say this 7. 7 7 7 7. Children, you should complete this page in the same way. Let us now learn to write the next number 8. To write 8, you must first make a full square or circle here. Another circle should be made underneath it. Now this should be 8. This method is only for the beginner learners. 8 will also be written in this way. 8 8 8 8 8 8. Children, you should complete this page by say and write in this way. The next number is number 9. Dots should be put in this way to write it. First, you have to do one half circle, then make a standing line. It should be said 9 9 9 9 9. You should complete this page by say and write in this way. Our last number is number 10. Children, first write a standing line to write 10 and then again a circle should be right beside it. You should call this 0. In this way standing line and means 1 and circle means 0 written together, we have to say it 10 10 10 10 10. Children, you should complete this page by say and write in this way. Dear children, let's finish our today's class. In today's class, you have learned how to write 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You should practice it well. Thank you.